Manya Itonga.
Lekwera.
Erago. Yes. Nagutogari is unquantifiable because it does not have a maximum. Yes.
Gutire maximum limit ya gutonga.
Yes. Hiyo ya wira go there's a limit on this and that. Utonga duri maximum. Never mind your minimum. But the minimum you cannot quite tell because again kigo modo mutogure. It's a very deceptive term. Tondu kuria do ogiroro ogu wecirie ni atogu.
Yes.
And they appear. Yes.
Like they are
rich. But you know there is a rich, wealthy, and opulent. Yes. Na rich re. Ha rich. Uncle rich re. We are never quite able to tell how rich they are. We just see them in a big Prado toka. Yes. Na nurajerire etho the nduri wa Kilifi.
Washira wa Kilifi.
Yes. Alako ide wikira cigana cia Itonga.
Ndirie kurikira ithatu cia Itonga.
Yes.
Arajira for one. Kuri Itonga ngu.
Yes.
Kuri Itonga thunga.
Yes.
Na ni kuri Itonga cia magigi.
Yes. Ngori. Ngoni aria riu. Ithuĩ tui.
Yes.
It is highly likely they still requires directly one way or
the other.
Mundu ki wandikite andu maiganona ni ahoranagia mitoka ya iri tatu. Yes.
He has maybe one or two homes.
Actually he has a country home and an urban home. No gacoka gatuika hihi ni ongeire kagia kundu akomboritha. Yes. Icio ni ngu. Thunga is another level. Yes.
Thunga ni athige kiro kingi.
Yes. And nona hangu. There should be a category before that. The wannabe ngus.
Wannabes.
The wannabe ngus have to watch their steps very keenly.
Very much.
Tondu hau ni mundu uga dari na indo andu aituri.
How a small mistake.
Yes. You go back to possession 1.
Niokugira nditi.
Okay, ada. Wakinya ngo unless you make very horrible financial decisions, you are likely to move up. Kana oke kiudu.
Kana oke maintain.
Yes. No okire kiudu unprecedented like a natural thing.
Yes.
No ekinya ngo you probably have access to insurance of or everything you own. Yes. Nigo kiri thunga. Thunga citionekaga in public. Actually mumonaga andu macemania nao makahura mbica mukamona social media. Thunga icio they are not on social media.
No, they are not.
No.
They don't brag.
They do not. Unless their business is in the public realm, you will not even find them on X. Are me biashara cie buingi-ini like the ones who run PR companies, telecoms, natio mapostaga.
They employ people to do that.
They don't tweet. No, they do not. Yes.
And they don't even floss their wealth on TikTok.
They don't even post their boarding passes for flying first class. And they do not photograph food. They don't photograph themselves smoking shisha.
And consuming expensive drinks.
Because it is normal according to
them.
Yes. They are in the system. The system comes to them. Wana kinya hau hathungari. Breda yari. Ona hango iniri. Kwara ini kwehagirira hango.
Queuing.
Yes. Unless they are queuing for sure.
Story ya mama arekire kuria muthenya wa githurano.
Yes. Thunga ndicikocia irio horo wa You see, they will compete with people at their level.
Yes.
Niokuwa mali taraini golf club. So someone is teeing off. Wenda kinye idogo tee off. Na zikoshi golf niratha kone andu aingi. Slowly becoming not a very prestigious. Now golf urahurira kirabu kiriku. Do you know? Thonga nacio citienda mutangatango.
Asa.
They don't like you to come and pretend that you are at their level.
No. And they love their space.
No, you are more three. Moiretu uyu moka nao.
Ndiramenya wega no kai ndemuonirio kahinda karia kama ndengerire.
She is appearing a little gluttonous. Angikihoria chicken wings either ni Nick. You only take 4 pieces. Mwala kesho mena mwiretu ucio nake nu.
I think it's an aid.
She does not look like an IADC. I am getting a little Tanatoria na lady captain. Lady captain. We are concerned about those two upstarts. Matiadaga. Yes. Don't think that you will go there and please them. They will choose what pleases them. Nioko that joke chama go, that's very funny. Ni watu hera kidogo tuarie. Is your name
Thonga?
Yes. Thonga.
Na oriola batanoguo mathia manyihite.
Yes.
Thonga nacio tinyingi muno.
Bana. Thonga misi yao de sera go Itonga re. They have a habit of inviting people. Itonga nile kaundu ga gubanga maundu be.
Yes. And entertaining the masses
so that you can feel their well. Yes. Thonga ri. Brenda ona kumushera wake musie cannot be a casual affair.
No.
Because you need
twahitukira hau
ati ndauga ndingihituka mucio ndauga wandu gundwikaga atia
not there
because kore akiwe mwasauga ndauga ndingihituka ndauga ndonye
ti gwathunga
nguthegia cai Gwathunga, you have levels of clearance. Yes.
And to gain access to their places, it's not a walk in the park.
And depending on who you are, they will choose to either be home or not.
Depending, no.
Yes. Kuna watu watarudi wako Spain watakuja next week. Na si hiyo ni ngari yao tumeona. Sasa wewe sina kwambia wako. Unajua kuna gari ngapi hao? Thonga na mati dira ineni pa grouping mati dira na andu othe tariwo na family ri no igua mauga atiriri ni tugutuma muthoni kuri ithe wa mi akinyi horo you don't send anyone
netia gutumagira ati delegation
they know who they call aria maganyitana na family ni igua atiriri muthoni muri okuo
wega
andu amucie no maikaire wega there are challenges
tutire na oru we no kwa magukura na itweka kidogo macani make itina cigana na irathire.
Oh my, sorry. What can we do?
Thaisi ni uhocio no ambite kurigithia turaugire twambe turore riera
no you can't really you can come office yakwa ya Capitol Hill no na Americana
ari ha
isapa ni ukagirwo riri ugacukira ha
nie muno njui gukinya ambassador
I'm shocking ya kwa hawi. Okyo moere kanyamo is not good that way to nige makia affect on matu kande goko. No, you start is the way they operate. Yes. Itonga is what asia magigi. They are not accessible. Asa. No. Asiona tiake. Habana. Asa. Actually no kokiriti nake 3 levels down. Na mutikona na ne mama guo. Tata guo.
No murutire wira na muture mutare muonana.
Yes. Itonga is magigi. Don't bother telling them your grievances in social gatherings. They have employed people to remember things for them. He will not remember. No menya no kola short wake. Omwire. Netako dadia na mamiri. Horo wegi scholarship ya mwanake uriku.
Mwanake oyu.
Arari na A study. Oh ni mwaleka ni akuratia. Ugatia.
Ajirani ya deka.
No. I'll make sure they do what you know. I really can. But we're gonna study.
Plaini.
Another magirako.
Another magera katuhu.
Oh, all right. We will help him. Let's talk about it. If they went to your in the video during the graduation, yeah, Moirori. We are very impressed. Don't worry. I'll make sure you get what you need. No, what but don't assume because get a guy came out ne muma nakio that you are sorted.
No.
No. Kone takwiranga hapa na gathina winako. Aithimo semonio cio ngenda kui.
Na dageririkana.
You see, I'm saying that because I interact with those people. Yes. Yeah. So no, kweli twaina His Excellency William Ruto. Tukia diabetes sawari. Uyate ni tuyaine.
Umejidanganya.
Na Itonga cia magigi ni aragwatire. You see there are some people they are overly loud and assertive. Ni memenya okinya hari yari and they tolerate them. Itha ba mwauro yuri. Oyo ni gathaia. Gathaia ni wao. And if you choose to get offended, it is your problem.
Ni hakumwande.
Wajiro yo ni wao.
Ai, duramumenya.
No, but for purposes of time savings, hold your circles because you know who he is. Akora woko.
Akora woka meme inawe.
Atire, I think I know. Niwe moka nanga bono wango oyo. Munene oyo ne kata. Duramenya kata. Akirwa mukuru ine. I have heard him. I understand the spouse is also a journalist. Niyo ikitie PM. Akirwa bana wewe. Waketa wonyoksi. No, those people will not know things you imagine around here.
No.
Yeah.
Ne wewe ate confidence ni haku.
Wewe toro ni follow up to family we ni ukora registrar of birth re.
Custodian of records.
Odi mwana to. Meagio the neo miwe.
Na modo na komu place na githaku kia ngani.
Uyu ni wa githaku kia riri. Kia mokami. Muthuri ono na mumenya wa njambi. I don't seem to recognize this man. Tuakire nake tu. You see this Tororeta Gori. He's a former schoolmate. So they have history. Unageria kugerania kwa sat.
Yes.
Nio ekaine neke. Nenda ngena aisango.
Na isi cia magigi ukidiru na ori.
Yes.
They have no man much time to listen to you.
No.
Go straight to the point.
Yes.
Not taking more than 3 minutes.
Yes. No. They have so much to even think about. Yes. And this is magigi. They will not tell you atumere hega thina kwa kwira ati lehe namba nguikiria.
They don't.
They do not. Yes. And you will not reverse call them.
No, it's actually bad.
Yes. Find your ways around.
You more reverse call.
Yes. Na ne makobula kristaga ugihura thimu ugi atiri. Tao kugeithia munene.
Blacklist. Mara moja.
Yes.
Oje na tu ati umuhurire thimu by chance oe wajiririe kumuria ne wamenya no ucio.
I have not much time. Please introduce yourself. Magigi moka function na yake mushiri where they sit. They will wake up when they are leaving.
Yes.
You will come and catch up with him. He will not come under the trees to catch up with you.
No.
Because mostly, in most cases, madiko mariando anini kemia.
Sasa liuge kinya level ya tuandanga magigire.
Yule mangete.
Miaka mingi.
And when they are giving speeches, their speeches are largely very boring. But because you require their support, you laugh. Kiodo kia muthekia mumunyitirire guthe
Gureka.
Eboduli twakora ora ke was a very funny character.
muthekia ona ine kana ekuruta ciarabu.
Eno kono na yeni ya muthekia.
Now you know. Mucio eta gitongere mwiri ku.
Ni hari ngurani na tunyite undu kwonu. Ni hari ngurani ya gitonga kia magigi. Thonga. Ngo. Na mundu mehotete.
Na rimwe nĩ tũ confuse mũndũ wĩhotete tũkamwĩta gĩtonga.